So there are pockets of assets all around the world, private assets primarily, that are inaccessible to the average investor. Either they're too lumpy, or they're regulated to such an extent that the retail investor can't buy it, but the accredited investor can. What tokenization can do is it can take that illiquid asset, it can fractionalize it, and then it can sell it in a vehicle to either retail, inside or outside the United States, and accredited investors accordingly. And so there's a tremendous demand, I think, right now for private equity, for example, or for pre-IPO stock. Now, these are assets that are currently held by companies like private equity firms or VC firms. Now, maybe they've been holding them for quite some time, waiting for that exit that just hasn't happened. And maybe they'd like to take it off their balance sheet. Well, there is a huge number of investors that want access to that sort of thing, but just don't have access. And so there are companies that are springing up that want to create those vehicles to take private equity and make it so that the public can invest in it. And one of these companies obviously is Distributed Brokers. It's a company that I'm affiliated with under dipscapital.com. But what we believe is we've found that way to frack private equity.